Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we're soaring high with two budget-friendly drones that promise to take your aerial photography game to new heights. On the left, we've got the VISNEE Newest Drone, and on the right, the DEERC Drone D70. Buckle up because this is going to be a fun ride. First things first, let's talk about the price. VISNEE comes in at a wallet-friendly $59, while DEERC asks for a bit more at $79. According to reviewers, VISNEE offers a great deal for its price, but some have reported quality issues. On the other hand, DEERC is slightly more expensive, but has received praise for its durability and overall value. So is DEERC worth the extra $20? Let's find out. Time to zoom in on the cameras. The VISNEE sports a 2K HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. Meanwhile, DEERC offers a 1080p HD camera. Some reviewers have noted that VISNEE's camera quality is good, but lacks electronic stabilization, affecting image quality. DEERC's camera quality is described as comparable to an old cell phone, but acceptable for the price. So VISNEE might just have the edge for those Instagram-worthy shots. Ever tried to fly a drone and ended up in a tree? Both drones boast beginner-friendly features. VISNEE has one-button takeoff and landing, plus 3 speed modes. DEERC, on the other hand, has voice control, gesture selfies, and even a throw-to-go feature. Reviewers appreciate VISNEE for its ease of use, but DEERC stands out with its additional tricks, making it the more tech-savvy option for beginners. Flight time is crucial. VISNEE offers 30 minutes with its two 1,800 mAh batteries. DEERC's flight time is not clearly specified, but is assumed to be in the same ballpark. Reviewers have mixed feelings about battery life for both drones, with some noting frequent recharges. However, VISNEE seems to offer a bit more airtime for your dime. Portability is a big deal. VISNEE is foldable and comes with a carrying case. DEERC, however, folds down to the size of your palm. Reviewers love DEERC's compact design, making it easy to carry around. For those of you who like to travel light, DEERC takes the cake and eats it too. Both drones come packed with features. VISNEE has altitude hold, headless mode, 360 degrees flips, and obstacle avoidance. DEERC matches many of these and throws in high-speed rotation and tap fly. Reviewers find VISNEE to be a solid all-rounder, while DEERC impresses with its extra features. It's like they're both trying to outdo each other in a drone talent show. But who wins? That's for you to decide. Reviewers generally find both drones to offer good value for their price points. VISNEE is appreciated for its affordability and solid feature set, though some have experienced quality issues. DEERC, while slightly more expensive, is praised for its durability and additional features, making it a strong contender for tech-savvy beginners. So there you have it, folks. The VISNEE Newest Drone and the DEERC Drone D70, both great choices with their own unique strengths. If you're on a tighter budget and want a solid all-rounder, VISNEE is your guy. But if you're willing to splurge a bit for more features and portability, DEERC might be the one for you. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all our latest comparisons. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart. See ya!